Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the Break Oyster Mushroom Patty Burger in Heartopia Modular Street Festival event. Okay, this is one of the festival foods from the Modular Street Festival event, guys, in Heartopia. And I'm going to show you how we can unlock this food recipe. First, you're going to buy the Break Mushroom Patty Burger recipe from Masima's cooking store. And you're going to replace the mushroom with oyster if you want to make the oyster patty burger. And these are the ingredients that you need. You need wheat and then this brick meat patty and also the oyster mushroom. This one. Okay, we're going to select the oyster mushroom and then we're going to click on start cooking and we'll unlock the oyster patty burger. Okay, hold on guys. I'm still cooking it. Okay, I've just unlocked the Break Oyster Mushroom Patty Burger. And next time if you want to make it, just use the new recipe. This one. Okay guys, and that's how we can unlock the Break Oyster Mushroom Patty Burger recipe in Heartopia Modular Street Festival event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!